Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Jython Evaluator in StreamSet. So with the help of Jython Evaluator, we can reduce the number of stages used in our pipeline. So let me show you how. I have already created the pipeline. Just let me preview it. So you can see over here I'm reading data from an API and I'm receiving one list. And this list contains 20 records, or you can say 20 map field. Now I'm just extracting these records out of the list using field pivoter. So you can see I've got total 20 records. After that, in expression evaluator, I'm just extracting the field which I want. As you can see, there are multiple hierarchies, and like venue field is inside venue, then in name. So I'm just extracting it in an expression evaluator. Same as I'm creating some new fields like first team, second team, first team score, second team score. And after that I'm using the field remover to remove the unnecessary fields which I don't want. So I have removed those fields. So over here I'm using expression evaluator to convert our map record into a list map record. You can see it has been converted into a list map record, as it is necessary to write it into any file system. So I've shown you how this pipeline is working. Now I'm going to show you how can we remove these three stages: field pivoter, expression evaluator and field remover, and replace it with Jython Evaluator. Jython Evaluator can do the work of these three stages. So let me open the new pipeline. And I have replaced these three stages, field pivoter, expression evaluator and field remover, with Jython Evaluator. And I have written the Jython code. Let me just preview the pipeline. You can see again we are getting a list of 20 records. When it passes through Jython Evaluator, you can see again I am getting 20 records, and all the work which has been done earlier by those three stages has been done by just one single stage, that is Jython Evaluator. Now let me show you the code. Over here you can see that we are receiving a list of records in a batch with the help of SDC records, and we are iterating over the list and extracting one record at a time. And in each record we have a data field, and we are extracting that data field, and that data field contains the list of 20 records. So we have got the list of 20 records in the LST variable, and then again we are iterating over the LST variable and extracting single record as an element each time. And after that we are replacing that element with the key value pair which we have extracted from the element field itself. You can see with the this element is nothing but a dictionary, and we can access the element of dictionary by its key. So key is nothing but the column name, so element then game ID I'm providing as a key, and we will be receiving the value for it. And then we are preparing a dictionary and assigning this dictionary to element itself. In same way we are accessing all the element. You can see first team can be extracted from /team /abbreviation. So we are extracting this using making dictionary calls using with the help of key. In the last we are just producing the new record and writing into STC output dot write. That's it. This is how it is producing 20 records. So I hope this content has been helpful to you, and if you find this content helpful, just like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.